Louise would like to know, what are your thoughts on the use of record and playback tools to develop automated tests? They
Mm,
seem to have a bad reputation amongst some folks, don't they?
mm, yeah. Um, I think before, yes, they have a bad reputation because I think before it was quite limited. Because I
Mm.
remember when I was using Selenium IDE before, it was only on Firefox, the browser extension, and I couldn't even automate, some of like the scenarios that I want to automate. So that's why I learned how to actually use Selenium WebDriver. But I think nowadays it's much more mature, in the sense that it's using like AI or like machine learning. I don't know how, but I've read that most of this codeless automation tools or the record and playback are now using AI. So I think it's useful for beginners, and if your team lacks the necessary skills to create like a test automation framework from scratch, and if you need something quicker, then it has that benefit that you don't need to learn like basic programming. You just have to sort of use the tool. But then if you go with that route, you have to understand as well that there are limitations. Maybe there are some scenarios still that the record and playback or the codeless tool won't be able to automate, so you still need to, I guess, learn how to write a test automation code. But in most cases, if you just need like a basic um, smoke tests or a basic regression pack, and your application is quite simple, then I don't see any sort of reason as to why record and playback tools won't be useful. So I think, yeah, it definitely has pros, but you have to make sure that there's some limitations as well.